Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 42. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to run a micro launch, a compact, high-value workshop or masterclass, so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. Your skills are your freedom currency.
Quick hook. Most independent service providers I meet waste months building courses or chase cold proposals and end up with feast or famine revenue. You either spent too much time creating a product no one needs, or you're exhausted from proposal after proposal. A timed 90-minute micro launch beats that because it converts live attention into high-trust sales fast, without long builds or repeated low-ticket delivery. If you want predictable 8K plus clients while staying mobile, this is the play. Here's the promise. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear 4-step micro launch blueprint that converts workshop attendees into 8K plus retainers without creating a heavyweight product or overcommitting your schedule. I'll explain the system, walk you through the exact launch steps, share a real Nomad example, and give a 60-minute sprint you can run today. First, what is a micro launch for services? Think of it as a surgical, single-event funnel, a short, high-signal workshop that demonstrates your expertise, delivers a tangible micro outcome, and opens a low-friction path to a premium paid engagement. Key components are simple but precise. A surgical promise, one measurable result you can plausibly begin in a session, a conversion-first curriculum that builds urgency and desire, and a clean onboarding offer that turns interest into a scoped, outcome-priced retainer. Why this fits Nomads? It's high impact, low overhead. You deliver intense value once, then convert to a follow-up engagement that is executed remotely, possibly by you plus a contractor. No repeated live delivery, no endless content production, and you keep time-boxed work blocks so travel doesn't break your pipeline. Now the 4-step actionable blueprint. This is the backbone you can follow every launch. Step 1. Define the surgical promise and ideal client profile. Pick one narrowly scoped outcome. For example, a 30-minute homepage wireframe that increases lead-to-trial conversion by one clear step. Or a 1-week ad creative test that delivers a measurable lift. Avoid vague promises. Your ICP is the buyer who cares most about that exact outcome, can afford 8K to 20K, and has authority to buy. Write that promise in one sentence and stick to it. Step 2. Craft a conversion-first 60 to 90-minute curriculum. Structure matters. Open with a short credibility story that maps to the promise. Deliver a micro-framework, 3 to 5 steps your audience can follow immediately, then run a short live application or worksheet that makes progress visible. The goal isn't to teach everything, it's to create a visible, believable outcome and show how a paid retained engagement scales that outcome. Use one strong case study and close with a clear transition to your offer. Step 3. Run the live event with a promotion checklist and tech light setup. Promotion checklist. 1 email to your warm list. 3 targeted DMs to past clients or high-value prospects, 2 posts focused on outcome and limited seats, and 1 paid ad or boosted post if you need reach. Tech checklist, Zoom or Riverside, recording enabled, a simple registration page with payment option or booking link, and an automated confirmation sequence. Keep it time zone friendly and run it from a predictable 4-hour window so Nomad routines stay intact. Step 4. The conversion sequence. Your offer structure should be simple. A defined outcome, a limited number of premium slots, a clear scope, and a pilot price aligned to the outcome, typically 8K to 20K depending on impact. Follow this timeline. Immediate post-event call to action and booking link. A 24 to 48-hour follow-up email emphasizing scarcity and a quick FAQ. 2 targeted one-to-one outreach messages to warm leads with a short discovery call, and an optional limited-time bonus like a 1-week implementation check-in to sweeten early decisions. Use templates for every message so you don't reinvent the wheel. A few conversion templates in plain language. Event close. If you're ready to move from this quick win to a sustained improvement, I have 3 pilot slots to help you implement this in 4 weeks. Book a 15-minute discovery here. 24-hour follow-up. Thanks for joining. Here's the recording and the 3 results we can deliver together. I'm opening 2 pilot slots at $12K this month. Keep it outcome first and avoid long feature lists.
Now, a concrete Nomad example. A freelance copywriter I worked with ran a 90-minute workshop titled Convert Landing Pages into Sales Calls, the 3-point copy audit. She invited a warm list and targeted past prospects, limited seats to 40, and used a worksheet that revealed 3 high-leverage fixes in 20 minutes. After the session, she sent a 48-hour follow-up funnel, recording plus 3 results, plus calendar link, plus 2 personal outreach messages. Result: 2 clients booked 12K retainers within 72 hours. Why it worked? The workshop created clear credibility. The worksheet produced tangible mini-wins, and the follow-up was aggressive but respectful. She didn't promise overnight miracles. She promised a pilot that would produce measurable progress and sold a narrow scope to deliver it. Scaling this without burning out requires systems. Automate registration and confirmation emails. Record the workshop so you can repurpose the replay, and hand off time-consuming onboarding tasks like billing and initial data collection to a contractor or virtual assistant. Time box live prep to 2 focused sessions, and never run more than 2 live cohort launches per month unless you have a team. Protect your energy by keeping delivery modular. Deliver strategy in short blocks, and push implementation to contractors or packaged deliverables. I know it's tempting to over-deliver on the first pilot. Don't. Scope tightly, price for outcomes, and keep an explicit handoff plan. Charge what you're worth. Your time is limited, and your expertise should be priced accordingly. Immediate action step, a 60-minute micro-launch sprint you can run today. Use this checklist. Minute 0 to 10, write your surgical promise in 1 sentence and name your ideal client. Minute 10 to 25, draft a 60 to 90-minute outline with 3 framework steps and 1 live application. Minute 25 to 40, write 3 outreach lines, a warm list email subject, a DM to a past client, and a LinkedIn/Instagram post hook. Minute 40 to 50, prepare the post-event offer, scope, price, number of slots, and a 1-sentence FAQ. Minute 50 to 60, create a simple registration page and paste a calendar link for discovery calls. That's it. You'll have a runnable micro-launch in an hour. 3 outreach lines you can copy. Warm email subject. Quick win this week. 60-minute workshop on X. Limited seats. DM to past client. Saw something that reminded me of your site. I'm running a short workshop that fixes this in 90 minutes. You interested in a pilot slot? Social post hook. If your landing page isn't converting, you don't need a redesign. You might need these 3 copy moves. Free workshop, limited seats. Follow-up email template, 48-hour. Thanks for joining. Name. Here's the replay and the 3 results we can achieve together. I'm opening 2 pilot spots at $12K for a focused implementation. If you want one, book a quick call here within 48 hours. If you want the full swipe file, the registration page template, email sequences, DM scripts, and the exact onboarding checklist I use with Nomad clients, join Aria's Micro Launch Accelerator. It bundles templates, a recording walkthrough, and an implementation checklist so you can launch reliably while traveling. Spots are limited because I keep cohorts small to protect quality and your energy. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take 1 action this week and start seeing results. Remember, charge what you're worth and build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. Your skills are your freedom currency.